Hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today I have another video. So 2 years ago I decided to plant some trees in my farm. So I decided to come and check how they are faring on, and I'm happy to report that they are really grown, and I'm so excited. So please come along with me as I tour my farm. This is the driveway leading to the main farm. As you can see, the trees are really grown. So we planted the trees along the fence, as you can see. I love how the environment is. The grass is looking so nice, and the trees are really green. The weather is so good here, and the trees are doing so well. I'm amazed at how this particular tree has grown. I'm very excited because it is going to provide us with shade. Just look at how amazing it looks. The farm overlooks the lake, as you can see. So that is Lake Victoria over there. It brings a lot of breeze to us and the freshness that comes with staying around the lake. So this is so nice, and we really love the environment. Thank you so much for watching this video until this far. I do appreciate. Please stay tuned for more.